Most people think that preparing vegan meals is time-consuming and complicated. But the truth is, with a little planning and creativity, vegan meal prep can be simple, delicious, and incredibly satisfying. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan meal prep, where vibrant flavors and nutritious ingredients come together to save you time and effort. The key to successful vegan meal prep lies in variety and balance. Start by choosing a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent plant-based protein sources. They're versatile, affordable, and can be cooked in bulk. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and farro provide the carbohydrate base. They also add texture and heartiness to your meals. Vegetables are the stars of any vegan meal. They bring color, nutrients, and flavor. Roasting is a game changer. It enhances the natural sweetness of veggies like carrots, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. Simply toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with salt, and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until caramelized. Let's move on to sauces and dressings. They're the secret weapon in meal prep. A good sauce can transform plain ingredients into something extraordinary. Make a batch of tahini dressing with lemon juice, garlic, and a touch of maple syrup. Or whip up a creamy avocado lime dressing. These keep well in the fridge and leaven up any dish. When it comes to assembling meals, think mix and match. Prepare different components and combine them in various ways throughout the week. For breakfast, overnight oats are a winner. Mix rolled oats with plant-based milk, chia seeds, and a sweetener. Top with your choice of fruits and nuts. Lunchtime calls for grain bowls. Start with a base of grains and layer on your choice of beans, roasted vegetables, and a handful of greens. Drizzle with your favorite dressing and sprinkle some seeds or nuts for crunch. The combinations are endless, making each meal feel new. Soups and stews are another prep-friendly option. Lentil soup or a hearty vegetable stew can be made in large batches. They freeze well and are perfect for those days when you need something warm and comforting. Snacks are part of the equation too. Consider making energy bites with dates, nuts, and cocoa. Or bake some seasoned chickpeas. They're satisfying and provide a little protein boost in between meals. To keep things fresh, vary your meals each week. Rotate different grains, vegetables, and proteins. This not only keeps your palate excited, but also ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients. Use seasonal produce for the best flavor and price. Don't forget about storage. Good meal prep relies on proper storage techniques. Invest in a set of quality airtight containers. These preserve freshness and make it easy to grab your meals on the go. Labeling them with the date ensures you use the oldest meals first, minimizing waste. Meal prep isn't just about cooking, it's about creating efficiencies. Use the week end to prep for the week ahead. With practice, you'll streamline your process, making it faster and more effective. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Experiment with spices and herbs to keep your meals flavorful and enticing. Vegan meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. By focusing on balance, flavor, and convenience, you can enjoy a week of meals that nourish your body and excite your taste buds. It's about creating delicious meals that make you feel good and save you time. Start meal prepping today and enjoy the benefits of plant-based living.